very confident coding and he is never opting to CP lab and he is the topper of Econ exam. Everyone knows Sudoku. We used to playing newspaper, but my friend wrote C code of that Sudoku project. Now he will explain about the Sudoku. Like the Sudoku code by using C functions. And here is the basic C code. The code length is that means the code lines are very lengthy, but the logic is very short. We can see. First, the sample Sudoku code. This is the sample Sudoku code. Sudoku is there are it is a 9 by 9 puzzle. Means first line represents the row and the second line represents the column. These are 9 rows. These are 9 columns. These are 9 columns and these are 9 rows. And we use the values to store in that particular value. Then we write the code in starting. This is the code to print up. Void print code print size. Size represents the first size represents the row and second size represents the column. We initially declare the size 9. Means the Sudoku puzzle has 9 rows and 9 columns. And it has 3 by 3 subfields. These are 3 by 3 subfields. From first row 1, 2, 3 and column 1, 2, 3 has 1 3 by 3 subfields. That's why it has 9 3 by 3 subfields in Sudoku puzzle. And we initialize the values to store at a particular position. Then we write the code in this manner. This is used to fill the empty spaces, like we run the code, give some empty spaces that is like that. This in empty spaces we fill in the values which the number is placed particularly in a particular position. And the print is a function. This function is used to check if a number can be placed at a given position. That means if you give a number to place in a particular position, that means you use 6, 3, 8, 9 and so on. That number, it will check the number is correct to present in this position. And the main function we will write in the last step. We will initialize main function. Before main function, we declare this code because the Sudoku board the Sudoku board is present as the output function, and we give values to store the Sudoku function is displayed output as the function. The output as the code, and we give values to present in this particular value. So I will tell how to place the number in that particular position. Then in array size, we use size. Row size and column size in array box. We know that the number starts from first 1 to 9 rows means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 that like that. But in array, we know that the number is starting from 0 to 9, 0 to 8. That means in row 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And column 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's like that. So if you place one number in this particular position, we need to know that which row and which column we need to place. That's why we use size and size. First we use row because we initialize that row position as first place and column position as second place. So we give first row number and second column number, and the required number is placed in this particular position, we give. So I displayed in this manner. First enter row and enter column and enter number. In Sudoku puzzle, if one number is placed in a particular position, then entire row and entire column, the number is not repeated. This is the Sudoku puzzle. The number is placed in a particular position, the number is the entire row and entire column which is not repeated. And the 3 by 3 subfields. If I know, I will say that there are 9 3 by 3 subfields. Means the rows 1, 2, 3 and column 1, 2, 3 is known as one subfield. And 4, 5, 6 and 1, 2, 3 which is known as one subfield and one subfield. That's why these three, these three, these three. As like that, in the entire Sudoku there are 9 3 subjects are there. In 9 3 subjects, there are placed 1 to 9 numbers in particular 3 subject and not repeated any number in this particular 3 subject. This is the example in these 3 subjects. The one number is not repeated another thing. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is not repeated. And if you see the 3, the entire row and entire column, the 3 is not repeated. You see. For example, we get the number 3. In this 3, the entire row which is not there, and entire column which is not 3 is there. So that's like that we need to fill in this manner. So for example, I will like in this row we see that which number is missing in this row. Anybody? In this row, which number is not there in the 8. So this is which row? Second row. But in array size, in this array size, this is which row? First row. And which column it is? Fourth column. First row, fourth column. Which number is placed in that particular position? 8. Yes. 8 is placed in that particular position. That's why we need to fill these empty spaces also like that. And another example, we see in this row, which number is not there in this particular place? Anybody? 8. So this is which row? Second row. Which column? Sixth column. Second row, sixth column. 8 and 8 is placed in a particular position. That we said which number is placed in this particular position, which is missing in this particular row? 8. So it is which row? Third row. And which column? Fifth column. Fourth row? Fifth column. Which number is placed in that particular position? 12. It is placed. And place is also filled in this manner. So we see which number is missing in the particular position? 2. That is which row? Which column? Fourth row? Sixth column. Which number is placed? 2. Here we see if you enter the wrong number, a wrong row and wrong column and wrong number, we use an input. It is not correct in this particular place. It says that this move is not valid. Try it. If you enter the wrong number in this particular place, this gives that this move is not valid and try again. Then we say that this is which row? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth row and which column? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fourth row, 5, fifth column. Fourth row and fifth column. Which number is placed? 2. Yeah, 2 is placed. That's why the empty spaces are also filled with in this position.
So what the methodology we use? We explain the methodology. The 3 by 3 Sudoku we just have
3 by 3 Sudoku. The matter says that 3 by 3 how will you declare in this particular code? I use this concept. So I take the row size is 0 because that is starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 and so that. So I take 0 as a row number. That's right. 0 minus this case 3 modulus of 3 gives remainder. So we take the 3. These 3 we take that row. Sorry, these 3 that take as a row size. So 0 minus 0 minus 3 that is 0. So if I think I show that it's row and J shows that it's column. So two columns are used and grid. Grid means the Sudoku, entire Sudoku code is known as grid. And I plus start row. Start row means we take row as a 0 and I means we take 0. 0, and there also we take column as a 0, and the start column we take 0. This grid of this row size is 0 and column size is 0, equal to number. We place that number in this says that the number is placed in this particular position. That means it is 0th row. It means 0th row and 0th column. That means 0, 0. That says 0th row and 0th column. It says, for example, it says 0 and 1. It is 0th row and first column. 0th row, first column. That number is placed as 0. That's like it says. If I is equals to 4, that takes these 3 by 3. If we take I is 4, that will take these 3 by 3. So that's why it placed the particular number in this particular position.